our time to shine.
Let's go, baby. Session 1.
Session 1. Both of us are quite nervous, I have to say.
Yeah.
Just having not really rode here. Well, other than
we both said we haven't really rode a new track in ages, have we?
No, we haven't. I suppose we've been a bit boring, really. So, hopefully all the viewers like this. Going to a new track. Let's see. Let's go get it. There's nobody else coming.
But just us.
There's nobody else coming. Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
What a honeymoon dream.
It's just us.
You
okay?
Yeah.
You did good.
So, what was the issues then?
There wasn't an issue.
No?
No.
Soft, isn't it?
Yeah, really soft.
Just like, it's exactly like VIP.
I think it's worse than VIP.
Oh.
No,
You haven't rode it as much as me, I suppose, have you? That's
You haven't what?
You haven't rode VIP as much as I have, I suppose. That's what I remember VIP being like. Very much.
But I feel like VIP's like
very soft.
Like thicker.
Do you reckon?
Right, this is like almost like slush.
Oh, I found it pretty dry, like riding round.
I think I went into some bad areas.
Oh yeah,
I went into some bits.
if you just stay on the line, like your tyres aren't that wet, if you know what I mean. Like it will dry out, but
No, I know, but what I'm saying is
Sorry.
like when I stalled and I stopped down, put my foot in, it went up to my ankle. Like,
Yeah.
And, like some bits are quite deep.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It was still fun.
Right, session 2. This is bad.
feel better from the start of the day?
Yeah, I feel better from the start of the day, and I think I say this to everybody, but more to myself, like never go off the first session.
No.
Because here, like I said earlier, like I was a grump this morning, like I really didn't like it. I was like way out my comfort zone. I mean, at first I'm really riding sand and all of that, but now I'm loving it. But I'm loving it.
Well
and
done.
it just shows that like, and then also with yesterday with Washbrook,
yeah,
I came out feeling probably the best I've ridden in ages.
Yeah.
And then I think it just shook me. But again, like I said to you earlier,
you can't take that as a hit.
You
It's completely
can't, no.
different, isn't it?
But every track's different. So even if like,
but you're
even
always
if it
building
was the other way
skills.
round, and we came here first. Do you know what I mean? It just shows that each track's so different. Each day is so different.
Yeah.
So don't let that one bad like round ruin the rest of the day.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
And I need to say that more to myself because I'm a harsh critic to myself.
Yeah.
But
that was good though.
But yeah, really enjoying it.
Good, well done.
Really enjoying it. You're doing good by the looks of it.
Yeah, it feels good, yeah. That was good, that was.
There's one guy out there, we're like exactly the same speed.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, so it's just literally like, I let him go first and I was just like following him around for ages. And then, what happened? Oh, that's when I had like my little moment and then he went off.
Ah.
But yeah, we're literally like spot on.
Excited.
Session 3.
Had a lunch break, had a pot noodle.
Bearing ready.
I think they've watered it. Let's go.
Oh my god.
What do you think of Mildenhall then?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Where would you rank it?
Oh, that's hard.
Where would you rank it? Top?
Top 5.
Top 5?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, what do you think?
Got a lot of confidence there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Riding on sand?
It's a different style of riding, isn't it?
Yeah, completely.
Which
Completely.
I obviously haven't got a lot of practice in, so it was nice to go from hardpack to
Yeah,
sand.
yeah, that is true, yeah.
Or
Ooh,
one extreme to the other.
got some decent blisters.
So like my feet.
Got some marks on your boots.
2 days, it's already breaking us.
No, we've got another 2 in us, I reckon.
Have we?
Yeah, I reckon. I reckon so.
How many do you want to see?
Oh, no idea.
Actually, by the time you answer, it'll be done. So.
This is for the other vlog anyway, isn't it? This is for Mildenhall.
Mildenhall vlog, yeah. We're doing too many vlogs, my brain just can't cope.
Yeah, I know, it's difficult. But okay.
We're going to go wash these dirty bikes.
Yeah.
And figure out where we're going to sleep tonight.
Yeah, and maybe where we're going to ride tomorrow.
No, what we're doing after this, we have no idea.
Bosh.
Got some power on her!
She is pretty powerful.